Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by cutting 500 G potatoes into 1/2 1cm wedges and rinsing away surface starch. This helps them crisp. Dry them fully, then toss with 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1/2 tsp salt, and 1 tablespoon oil so the coating is even. Heat oil to about 180 degrees, medium-high. Drop 1 test wedge to check sizzling. Once it browns in 2-3 minutes, fry in small batches to avoid temperature drop. This prevents soggy center. Once your potatoes are golden and drained, heat a wok and saute 2 cloves, minced garlic, and 1 small sliced onion until translucent. This builds aroma. Add 2 chopped green chilies and 1/2 diced bell pepper for texture and heat balance. Combine 2 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tsp chili sauce, and 1 tsp sugar. Pour into the pan and reduce briefly. Make sure to toss the fried potatoes over high heat for 1-2 minutes so the sauce clings and slightly caramelizes without steaming them. You finish by transferring the glazed potatoes to a serving dish, garnishing with chopped spring onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime to lift flavors. Sesame seeds add a nutty finish if desired. Serve immediately on a hot plate to preserve crunch. If the potatoes become soggy, refry them for 1-2 minutes at high heat or spread on a tray, and roast 5 minutes at 200 degrees to revive crispness. This restores texture without changing the seasoned glaze.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.